Today I will be teaching you how to do spot color on red nails. First, you want to click on Photoshop. Now go to Edit, go to File, Open, and pick a picture that has like a bright, strong color, like for instance red, orange, yellow, maybe even a bright blue, like this one. See the nails? First, you want to duplicate your layers so if you mess up, it's okay. Next, you want to go to Quick Selection Brush, Tool, whatever. Click on all the red nails. Next, go to Select Inverse. This selects everything outside of the nails, the background. So whenever you change it, it doesn't change the nails, it changes the outside. Next, you want to go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer. It's called Hue and Saturation. It's okay. Don't mess with these two, only saturation. You want to turn it all the way down. And see, the background's black and white now, and the red is popping out. So you can use it for like magazines to pop out like lipsticks and stuff. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. This is Spot Color.